Good morning and welcome to Goodwin Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to apply styles on images in Microsoft Word mobile app. First, it's expected that you have already installed the Word mobile app on your smartphone, be it an iPhone or an Android phone. So after that, let's get started. The first is to access the Word app. In my device, it's already pinned at the home, but you know how to access it from your own device. So I will tap on it as it is on my own screen. Now it has opened, showing some documents I recently created using the application. Okay, I would like to explain this with the first file on the list. So I will tap on the change view. Okay, the next step is to tap on the edit icon, which is the pen-like icon. Then I'll select the image by tapping on it. Alright, the image is selected. The next step you have to take is to click or tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow at the bottom right, which points up. Okay, this has shown us some picture tools we can work with. Our interest is on changing the image styles, so I'll tap on styles. Alright, we have been given some samples of styles we can select to be applied on the image. Can go with the default one, go back, can go with this. Okay, can go with anyone at all you feel is okay for you. So these are just the few steps you have to take to apply styles on the image or photo you have on your Word document using the mobile application. Thank you.